What a year it's been, guys. It's been an absolute roller coaster. We've been super busy. We've done quite a few projects and we've got quite a few in the pipeline ready for you guys. So this will be our last video of 2021, and what we've done is we've made a compilation from pretty much our first ever day on YouTube right through to present day. We've included the good bits, the bad bits, the ugly bits. It's all in there. But yeah, this will be the last video for 2021. And we want to just, before we get started, give a massive thank you to everybody that supported us along the way. We couldn't have done it without you guys watching. We couldn't do it without the support of our friends and family, the guys at CarTec, the guys doing at AUTOPARTS. It's just a massive help, and we just want to thank you very much. So without further ado, let's get the last video of 2021 rolling and have a very Merry Christmas, guys, and we'll see you next year.
Welcome to Homebuild HQ. Nothing too fancy, no special camera equipment or editing software. Basic tools that anyone can get their hands on. But this is where our projects and ideas come alive. You know, we're learning as we go along. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can join us on our journey.
It was Christmas Eve, babe, in the drunk tank. An old man said to me, won't see another one. And then he sang a song, the rare old mountain tune. I turned my face away and dreamed about you. Got on a lucky one, came in 18 to 1. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. So happy Christmas, I love you, baby. I can see a better time when all our dreams come true.
They got cars big as bars, they got rivers of gold, but the windows right through you, it's no place for the old. When you first took my hand on a cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome,
You were pretty queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they held out for more.
Sinatra was swinging, all the drunks they were singing. We kissed on the corner, then danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing, go away, babe, and the bells were ringing out.
Massive thank you and a massive shout out to my Uncle Brian and my Auntie Margaret for giving us the car. The problem with this car is that it's just failed its MOT. Now it's not all bad, it's failed because the two near side springs front and back have snapped, the brake discs are worn down below their limits, and the worst issue with this car is that the front subframe is heavily corroded. It's weakened, we don't know what we're going to do. We're either going to fix it or we're either going to get a new one.
Singing, go away, babe, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day. I could have been someone.
Well, so could anyone. You took my dreams from me when I first found you.
I kept them with me, babe. I put them with my own. Can't make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. The boys of the NY bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. First of all, I want to give a massive thank you to everyone who's liked and commented on our last video. We really appreciate the support and it helps us out a load. And a thank you to all the new subscribers we got off of that video, because we did get a bunch. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, because this is the first episode of a brand new series that we're going to be running on the channel alongside the local. And I promise you, you're not going to want to miss this one, because it's going to be awesome.
Definitely. What we're going to do in this series is we're going to take a normal run-of-the-mill car, something that we buy for a few £100. We're going to fix it, polish it up a bit, flip it, and we're going to do that as many times as we need to get one of the most iconic cars we could ever get on the channel. I've loved them since I was a young kid. Charlie's always wanted one, and I don't think there's anybody who's interested in cars that wouldn't want one of these in their driveway. So stay tuned, let's see if we can get it and bring it to the channel.
Roll the intro.
Now that's too strong, 'cause it is my favorite holiday. But all this year's been a busy blur, don't think I have the energy to add to my already bad brush, just 'cause it's 'tis the season. The perfect gift from me would be completions and connections back from last year. Ski shop encounter, most interesting, had his number but never the time.
Most of 81 best along those lines.
So deck those halls, trim those trees, raise up cups of Christmas cheer. I just need to catch my breath. Christmas by myself this year. Calendar picture, frozen landscape, chilled this room for 24 days. Evergreens, sparkling snow, get this winter over with. Flashback to springtime, saw him again. Would have been good to go for a lunch. Couldn't agree, we were both free. We tried, we said we'd keep in touch. Didn't of course till summertime. Out to the beach, twos both could have joined him. No, this time it was me. Sunburn in the 3rd degree. Now the calendar's just one page, and of course I am excited. Tonight's the night, but I set my mind not to do much about it.
Christmas is all.
Oh no, you don't. Dashing through the snow, 'cause I bundled up too tight. Last minute, have to do a few cards, a few calls, because it's RSVP. No thanks, no party lights, it's Christmas Eve. Gonna relax, turn down all of my invites. Last fall I had a night of myself. Same guy called, Halloween party. Waited all night for him to
this one alone.
He said,
Need a break. This year's been crazy.
I said, me too, but why are you? You mean you forgot cranberries too? Then suddenly we laughed a lot, got on to what was happening. That Christmas magic's brought this tale to a very happy ending. Merry Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Here it comes.
So guys, this all came about when our good friend Darren was clearing out his shed, and on one of his shelves he found his old race chip.
Just fine.
Cool.
Ho, ho, ho! Try and get a clean launch. You ready?
Right guys, that launch wasn't very good and Charlie never hit the button. We reckon that was about 6 seconds, but we'll get it a try again.
3. Stop.
Cheating.
3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, that was a 666.
It's probably a sign we should stop doing pills. On this video we're going to show you how to turn a manky looking wheel like this into a stunning looking wheel like this. We'll show you exactly how to do it and tell you exactly how much it costs. So stay tuned.
Santa baby, just slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellows that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check out my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa honey, one little thing I really need, that deed to a platinum mine, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa cutie, fill my stocking with a duplex and checks. Sign your X on the line, Santa cutie, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Tiffany's. I really do believe
Okay, so it's the next morning and we've just got the Kia all unwrapped and it's looking pretty much back to normal now. All the scratches are out and it's ready to give back to the owner. So that's going to be it. Hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you did, hit the like button because we do really appreciate it. And remember, don't overthink it because it's just paint.
So that's it for 2021 guys. We hope you enjoyed watching that as much as we enjoyed making it. And once again, a massive thank you to everybody that's chipped in and helped us. We couldn't do it without your support. Thanks again and we'll see you all in 2022.